chat. Gonna do some random Animal Company things. If I had to guess, okay, actually no. Screw it. This is my first video, so I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. Load into Animal Company, please. Oh God. Oh, sorry.
Watch out! You want a crowbar?
Take the picture,
This
bro.
guy God, this guy Does anybody want a crowbar? Good. He's good.
Okay. Boo. This is me. It's my first YouTube video, so I know what I'm going to do for my official first video special. I can attempt at least. Basically, it's as simple as what I'm going to do is I don't know yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a big grappler. Supposedly big. Or small. For my first video. Because who cares? It's my first video. It doesn't have to be the best right off the bat. So, buy an extra grappler. Come here. Oh yeah, you may notice my voice is kind of odd. I don't know how, but it just got randomly blown like overnight. It doesn't usually sound like this, I think. I don't know. I can't tell. I might just be growing up and not realizing it. So anyways, let us go to the office. Wait. Always grab sticks before you go to the office. Sticks can be tremendously helpful. But you can also only buy a couple. I'll also just put this in my bag because I don't need it anymore. So pretty much, we are just going to go to the office and make a bigger, small, and colorful grappler. I'm not completely sure how it's going to turn out. Oh yeah, also this. Oh, there's 2 golden doors. I thought there was only 1. I need other loot still. Need to loot these areas. Actually, wait, no. I'll put this in. So basically, I just need to look for a bunch of items up here, like staplers and tape and scissors and a bunch of random other stuff. Oh, I forgot about key cards. Let's drop all the stuff out here. Because this always needs to be first. And I'll just put this in this. In. Put, and grab. There. That might already be enough stuff, actually. So, I am gonna go back to the entrance. Actually. I only need 1, so I'm not gonna do ducks. I will say, though, that might be my 100 subscriber special. Yes, I'm foreshadowing for my 100 subscriber special. Why Sir, I think you're hacking. I don't think you're supposed to be able to. Oh, you can definitely come in here. Okay. So please stop pushing me. Eh. Here. Up. Just duck zone? That's duck zone. That's not where I want to go. Oh, I think I have to go to duck zone because I took an elevator. Never mind. So I'll just. Don't really remember the way. I think it's this way. And oh. Oh. Woman. Oh, this will actually be helpful. Well, that is not right there. Right here. Help, what the frig? What's happening? Never give a kitten crack. Yo, bruh. Get him. Fight me, freak, coward, freakish coward. Useless. Pretty sure, yep. Much heat. Alright, so I'll just put this grappler in, and then I'm going to drop all this stuff, of course. That's a most a wise decision. Alright, put this here. Bag the key card first. Okay, and then bag all this. Bro, what? Is that full? How, bro? Alright. Desperate times call for desperate measures. So, put. That just took it down! Bruh. What the this? Bruh, I messed it up. Okay. I'm not trying that again. It's too hard. So I'll just... Oh, right. This isn't death. Oh, my... Game, just let me kill myself, please. Please, game. What is wrong with you? I just realized the troubles of having a YouTube channel. I have to edit. Anyways. Up. Oh my god, please. Okay. Oh, Mr. Coward, sir. Alright, well, if only I knew where he was. I'll just sit in the chair. You seriously? What? Took you long enough. Why did you have to? What? Why didn't you just once? Don't shove my pickaxe into the. Where's my body? Yeah, even though I failed, I'm too lazy to continue and try it again. So that's just it for today's video. I'll consider trying again. I guess I don't. I'm probably gonna like kidnap my friend and make him do it with me. Cause you know. Alright. Bye-bye, chat.